noche canto por ti. Tú no respondes, luna, te perdí por otra mujer, por otra mujer, por otra mujer, por otra mujer. Todas mis culpas y todos mis delitos no quiero aceptar.
Hello my friends, welcome to another video. In this video I will show you how I made this little raised bed here. I'm showing you how I made this little raised bed. It's so cute and you can plant your stuff in it and it costs you $0. So the first thing I did was get an old crate. Now if you buy these old crates, you can buy them like for between $2 and $3. You can buy them at a second-hand store, or you can just go pick them up on the side of the road. That's where I got mine. So I have a couple of bags and from the soil, and so I saved the bags from the soil, and then I get some cardboard. Okay, I use some cardboard that I had from some box I had. I just keep saving all the cardboard because I use them in the garden. And so I put the cardboard on the side. So I put the cardboard on the side here, on both sides, because I want the plastic bag to go over it, be tucked in there. And then I put cardboard on the side here to hold it up. And then I just put my bag in here, my garbage. Then I put my bag here, which is my bag from my soil. I put it here and I just tuck the bag over the cardboard box, and there it is. And here you just need to poke some holes. You just get your X-Acto knife and you poke some holes on the side, and in the bottom. So you, especially in the bottom, you're gonna use an X-Acto knife and poke some holes there so that the water can come out. And there you got it. You have a raised bed that really costs you nothing. So I have extra potatoes. So I have all this leftover potatoes and I don't have space for it. So that is why I made this box. So now I'm gonna just plant the potatoes in it. Let's do this. Earthworm in there. And there's my potatoes. And there you have it, guys. My potatoes is planted inside that box, and as they come up I will heal them up. And I put 6 potatoes in there because the box is the little crate is kind of long, so I put 6 potatoes in there, so I should get some potatoes from there. But you have to learn to DIY, do your own stuff, and save money, because you can't be buying all this stuff in the store. Be creative, find some boxes, find some old crates, go in the recycling and find some stuff and grow your things for cheap and for free. Okay guys, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah, mwah. Stay positive.